What's up, everybody? I'm back. This your boy D. We about to get into this unboxing. Just came in. See what we got going on here. Oh, this is the. Oh, this how Spider Farmer doing it now. This the the G3000 for the 3x3. Heard they run cool and efficient. So what all we got in here? User manual, power cord, some ratchet hangers, and another cord for if you got 2 or 3 of them, you can hook them up in series to one another. Now let's go ahead and get this girl out. Look like it's well built. That's good. What else is in here? That's it. Okay, let's get this girl hung up. Go ahead and drop this cord in first to make it a little easier to hang up. Ain't got too much hanging from it when I throw it up there. I'm going to use these ratchet hangers that it came with. See what kind of light this put off. It comes with two, but I always use four. Put them on each corner of the fixture. That way I can get it all the way up evenly. And as you can see, I don't have my carbon filter or fan on the inside. I always put those on the outside of the tent. That way, if they stretch, because these girls do stretch, depending on the strain that you get. Sativas stretch real heavy. Indicas stay pretty squat. But that way I had a space for it to get up there as far as I want to go. All right. All right, let's get this girl cut on. See what we got going. All right, it's kind of bright light. It doesn't go down to 0, but it starts at 11, which is cool. Everything's looking good. All right. We ready to grill in here. That's the Spider Farmer SF G3000 300 watt light for the 3x3. Fit perfectly. Good coverage. All right, let's get these seeds popped so we can get this boy rocking. Peace.